Highway Code Rule 99. Seat belts and child restraints. You must wear a seat belt in cars, vans and other goods vehicles if one is fitted. See the table below. Adults and children aged 14 years and over must use a seat belt or child restraint where fitted when seated in minibuses, bus and coaches. Exemptions are allowed for the holders of medical exemption certificates and those making deliveries or collections in goods vehicles when travelling less than 50 metres, approximately 162 feet. Seat belt requirements. This table summarises the main legal requirements for wearing seat belts in cars, vans and other goods vehicles. Driver seatbelt must be worn if fitted in the front. Rear seats are not applicable. The driver is responsible that the driver wears the seatbelt. Children under 3 years of age in the front seat, correct child restraint must be used. Rear seat, correct child restraint must be used if one is not available in a taxi, may travel unrestrained. Driver is responsible that the child is strapped in correctly and safely. Child from 3rd birthday up to 1.3 metres in height or 12th birthday, whichever they reach first. Front seat, correct child restraint must be used. Rear seat, correct child restraint must be used where seat belts are fitted. Must use adult belt if correct child restraint is not available in a licensed taxi or private hire vehicle, or for reasons of unexpected necessity over a short distance, or if 2 unoccupied restraints prevent fitment of a 3rd. Again, driver is responsible that children are safely strapped in. Child over 1.3 metres, approximately 4 foot 5 inches in height, or 12 or 13 years or over. Seat belt must be worn if available in the front seat. Rear seat belt must be worn if available. Driver is still responsible. Adult passengers aged 14 and over, so from 14 in the front seat belt must be worn if available. Rear seat belt must be worn if available, and the passenger is responsible for their own safety.